found in just like 20 minutes. Land's rinsing them off, trying to find the good ones. We got the keep box, throwaway box.
Big fish, big fish. Freaking hog. Oh my gosh.
Found about.
I can't. He's huge.
Big boy, you hear that thud? Alright, we're back. Just finished with the great elk hunt with Liam and Jordan and Courtney. All loaded up. We're out here in the middle of the desert. And we are doing some hunting of a different sort. I forget what they're called, but Liam said he hit the jackpot. There's a cool nickname for these things. The reason the generator was running is because we gotta keep all our stuff frozen. All right, here we go. Look at all these crazy rock formations. Did anybody know what that is? Yep, we're going for geodes. Liam said he hit the mother lode and I gotta bring the bucket. So there's lots of them in here. So there's a cool one. They're everywhere. Let's see what he found. Did you find lava balls? Oh man. Jeez, look at this. What? Matrix? Look at just sitting here. Look at this cool one. Perfectly round. Crazy. Alright. Look at that pile that Liam found right there. Look at this. See a trucker? Right there's the freeway. Here comes the truck. Right there. Where's the truck at? Right there. See? We're not even that far. What's this place called? Jackrabbit Springs. Liam hit the mother lode. Alright, we'll check back more if we find some crazy cool ones.
Yep.
I don't know. We've been watching this crazy fella, Crystal Collector. All kinds of stuff. And what? Whoa! Look at that huge one. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 of them in that big sucker. In the Matrix, bro. We're back. Look at how many we found in just like 20 minutes. Land's rinsing them off, trying to find the good ones. We got the keep box, throwaway box. Man, it's pretty easy out here. Thanks to JK Outdoors telling us about the 6 spot. Totally hooks you up. We got some beautiful skies out there. Looks like we got a little rain. Lots of rain over there. That's why we got the heck out of Dodge. So we're gonna stay here for a little bit longer. We'll check back when Liam has a bunch cleaned up of super cool ones. Get some more videos. Liam's back at it, trying to find a colossal one. He thinks there's one back there. We're sitting here and all of a sudden he saw lightning, and then now we're seeing that. It looks like it's going that whole direction. It's like another wildfire. Rain's over there. Hopefully that rain's going back that way to put that sucker out, because it's getting bigger and bigger. Alright, you find a colossal one in there yet? Oh, look at that. He's got a vein. Oh, let's see that broken one. Let me see it. Let me see it. Just broke it up. Just do a tester. Bring it up close. Oh, those are cool. Not cool enough, though. We got way better ones in there. It's our same little hole he's been digging in for not that long, but there's lots of them. Look at all the pile of rubble. And there's geodes everywhere in there that we tossed aside. But we're trying to get the last little bit for a full bucket. Oh, there it is. Oh, what? What? Oh, careful. Oh, he's gonna get it. Let's see it. The reveal is coming. Oh man, this is, what? Man, that one's gonna be sick. Epic. Wait, is that another? Nope, not another double. What is the under there? Is there another good chunk under there? Oh, there's a cool. Another one. Does it feel light? Does it feel heavy? Oh, feels a little solid. Getting to the end of this, we're gonna come back, and once we get home we're gonna cut a couple up with the saw and show you that, and hope you enjoy. All right, fam, we're back. Previous episode you saw us, Liam finding all these geodes. Now we're gonna cut some open and see what we get. And we're in the backyard, we're at home. We also found this cool ocean rock. It has some shininess, but we're gonna see if we cut it, if it has more cool inside. Might be nothing. And always, there's Big Sweetie. All right, let's start. The big one. Alright, what are we gonna find? Ooh, that's super. Ooh, there's some cool yellows. Look at that crazy cool yellow. There's some lime, but that's some cool. We picked a super big one to cut first. That's gonna take a while to show. Let's cut a couple small ones. Which one should we pick, Eden?
What about this one? It has
there we go. There's a cool little one we'll cut. We'll take this off. We're all about safety. Craziness in there. Right. We're gonna try to cut this one. Ooh. Look at that. That's pretty. All these crystals are pretty much the same.
What about this one? There's no.
Oh, they're just more. Anybody hit it out to Jackrabbit Springs in Idaho? Doesn't take very long.
What about this one?
Oh, all right, we're gonna do one last one, super quick. Jordan will fast forward it, but they're all pretty much the same. See how they get? That one's open.
Look at that purple.
And yeah, some of them have some really awesome purple. One's super big, but I think we've cut open. All right, well, last one we're cutting. It's all closed. This one seems kind of heavy, but it might be solid. So we'll try it, and this will be. still pretty cool.
Yeah.
Simple little geodes that we found, but we also got this cool crystal here that Liam found, so he wants me to cut this. And we'll cut it in half and see if we see anything cool in that one. Just simple, cool rock.
Alrighty guys, well thank you for watching the video. Hope you guys like and subscribed. Jackrabbit Springs is definitely a good place to check out. You saw all those geodes Liam didn't take home. There's a bunch in the ground. Knox is out here with me, so you'll see him on the channel here and there. If you're subscribed, I'm sure you've seen him before. So hope you guys have a great rest of your evening, and we'll catch you outside. Booyah.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always